The wife mama can't stay with them. So one day, the wife was trying to use her phone, but the phone get problem. So she can't carry her husband phone. The woman is asking, I am very upset with my husband. Do I confront him?
Why you go talk say you dey vex for your husband?
The husband writes to the sister and say, since their mother-in-law came to stay with them, there has been a serious smell of body odor in their house. Say, even fact gone, the woman gets serious body odor. The sister come return and say, yeah, sorry, well, don't worry, it's just for a small time. Even to talk to her, they talk to her from far place. Say na dem pikin in the pity, carry her everywhere. Now the woman dey baff for her. That kind of pikin they go through because of their mother-in-law body odor. Now the sister come tell her say, why they buy all this air freshener will be like automatic, just put her for house. The man reply again say, a pest perfume. Say he don't know. He be like say this body odor na follow come.
Oh, I will not take that.
Who are you? Are you the husband? Why?
You be a very dangerous person.
No.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
True life story where we'll be sharing with you is from a lady who says, I am very upset with my husband. What till your husband do when you upset with her? She say she just born, and as usual, as she just born, her mama, the wife mama, another mama, mother-in-law matter. Now then the trend now. The wife mama can't stay with them. Well, she's been there for about a month now. So one day, the wife was trying to use her phone, but the phone get problem. Maybe na the place where they plug the phone get issue. So she can't carry her husband phone. As she take know the password, I don't know. Whether the husband knows say even get password in, I know she was say the man know. She opened the phone. That is her husband's phone, hoping to make a phone call. But at the end of the day, her eyes stumble on some messages, chat messages between her husband and the husband's sister. So the wife now open her husband's phone. They check a chat between the between the husband and the husband's sister. As he see, I look say, my in-law. As he see the chat, now he see say, the husband writes to the sister and say, since their mother-in-law came to stay with them, there has been a serious smell of body odor in their house. Say, even fact gone, the woman gets serious body odor. Say, the husband done the sister come return and say, yeah, sorry, well, don't worry, it's just for a small time. The man can't reply again. All this in the chat too. Say, even to talk to her, they talk to her from far place. Say na dem pikin in the pity. Say pikin when they just born, and the woman they always carry her for back, carry her everywhere. Now the woman they baff for her. Say you can imagine what torture that kind of pikin they go through because of their mother-in-law body odor. Now the sister come tell her say, why they buy all this air freshener will be like automatic, just put her for house. The man reply again say, this one pass me a pest perfume. Say he don't know. He be like say this body odor na follow come.
He don't try and wait say pest perfume.
What you they tell me? If I don't try,
wicked.
Let me finish now, Madam Wicked. At the end of the day, now so the wife see this chat message between her husband and her sister's husband, telling each other that he owe the wife mama. Now when he go to pass, if he miss him. A good meat, if you chop her, if you miss him because of a distinct nature.
It's okay.
So
can we continue?
Now the woman is asking, I am very upset with my husband. Do I confront him or what do you want me? What should I do?
Go back to your mama.
Why you go? That's what she even told her. That's the first problem when they for this matter. Why you go talk say you dey vex for your husband?
Why not go vex for him?
Well, you waited the ask, they perceive and you don't know say your mama get
guy,
body odor.
Some people don't know say they get body odor.
No, you will be the wife, so will be the daughter.
You go.
You are a very careless woman to start with.
You don't get used to the odor.
I will not take that.
Who are you? Are you the husband? Why?
You be a very dangerous person.
No.
I go vex for my wife. I go vex for my
let me tell you why. Because who should know where they pay now? No, the girl if you don't know. The girl if you don't know say me mama dey smell that bad.
That's the smell she has grown up to perceive.
You understand?
Then as because when the man they narrate this thing so you know say the smell really dey. You know where smell don't dey loud. Don't dey loud enough.
Chukudi see let me tell you.
So even though say no say girl you go take the smell. Even get a mouth odor go dey smell. As the person dey talk you no go hear what the person dey talk. Na the smell you go dey hear. You go say so the smell it don't too strong reach wey be say the girl even though say okay maybe
God, you know the girl mama.
I dey come now. Let's say you know they take. No why?
Neighbor.
You know why? I don't receive. You know, see my wife not born, so I don't receive different mother-in-laws. You understand me? Imagine say one of the get that kind of matter. I go talk.
Wait, Ejiro. No be only you go talk. Other people self go talk. 090-4821-3013. This wetin concern you and you know the girl mama ni na what for you. That the wife mama who has come to do holiday with them because the wife just born that kind of thing, and the husband dey complain to his sister say him wife mama get serious body odor, and that since the woman enter their house don get another kind smell. He even dey pity the pikin wey the woman dey always carry all the time, and that so many other things. Say even if the woman dey parlour, he dey stay far away from her, and the wife is very angry, and she's asking, I'm very very upset with my husband. Should I go and confront him or leave him? What do I need to do? And a lot of people have put mouth in the matter. The matter is still the matter. For people wey dey try collect the 1,000 naira airtime wey we wan give out this morning, on top of say which two languages na him Ejiro na him don speak this one.
If anybody talk Calabar, me and you get issue.
No worry, you no even talk Calabar now. No worry, me I know the languages wey you speak now.
You bring money come now.
You respect yourself now. All right. Let's start with our sister from another mother talking about flabbergasted morning with another wonder. I know they like boy yam. Onome, I know they like boy yam. I prefer it fried with eggs or something.
So what did you see they do so?
I dey talk to Onome. Vanity. I tell you say na perfume. Wetin dey worry you? Onome has said, and I'm going to read a message. Flabbergasted morning, my wonderful OAPs. Oloregun Mayegun Ejiro Ekero Ajaro anointed mouth. My handsome punky aboki I fear it is my husband. My beautiful Awolo the lioness and my sweetheart Wale Popopo, aka the professor. Thank you very much. It's appreciated.
What if you say this?
I'm talking to somebody. What's wrong with you?
What if you say this?
Big man, no, they make noise. What's wrong with you? So
now lost, you know the lost with style.
Cool down.
You better come back home.
Come back where? Home, me where I don't japa. Ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful Onome all the way from Belgium says, and I quote, the man did wrong. If it's his own mama, will he say that? Some old people have this special odor. I hope you are listening, Awolo.
They don't cover the special.
Elderly people, they get one kind of smell.
I know if you know now.
How you go know? You never reach there now.
I never will.
You don't get
body odor is different from that. I know that smell when they talk. Body odor, they different.
God, you don't work for elderly people house before. This is what we they talk like this.
But no say I best say grow for village. So I grow with a lot of elderly people. But this one say this guy said that body odor. There's difference between body odor and that special.
The man knows
the smell are still odor. See, that smell wey old people, you know, say you go reach one stage for your life now. Now bam.
Candy pomade, now they rub all those kind of level ori and the rest of it. But then it never reach for this kind of body odor where this guy they describe so.
Now listen to what my darling said as she continues.
Continue.
Continue.
What your darling said now?
She said some my babe says some old people. See, I read message now.
See the AJ what they starting.
I don't say. I read message.
See the AJ what they start this kind of life.
Wait, let me read that message. My cupcake pie says.
Okay. Continue now. No worry. Continue now. This will be your burnt potato or your roasted yam.
He said, some old people have this special that my mom is with me for 3 years now in Belgium. I clean her up, mouthwash and more. Madam, go take care of your mama.
Exactly.
Your husband is, although very disrespectful,
exactly.
It's very painful from a husband, if anybody at all. Sorry, high frequency Lolo, Mary Jane.
Because why your husband
I'm calling my babes accreditation.
Because why your husband no fit communicate and all this is what they do. No,
say come your mama dey smell.
No, they say wait to put it. Una be partner.
Why you go talk am?
Una be partner na.
Your mom has a peculiar odor.
No, you go first start.
Your mom getting in it.
You go first start with buy as they come. You go buy soap, you go buy powder, you go buy body spray, you go buy perfumes.
You don't talk. That one is even more insulting.
No, you go say.
Then you go buy roll on.
You go say I bought it for mama.
For what? Why? Mama dey smell. Why you don't see suya buy for mama?
No, I dey buy all those things normally. So today I can't choose to buy.
It no be you go buy am now. The daughter go buy am. No be. It is not your place to be buying mama powder.
Why you no go buy something for your mother-in-law?
Why you go buy? Now that can't they buy for mother-in-law. Next thing now you go dey buy G-string for mother-in-law.
Contribute to the problem with the
promote body odor and e no nice. You dey promote body odor and e no nice.
See, when they contribute to the problem with the grant, because see, a spade na spade. You understand? Call her wetin e be. Nothing dey there. My mother-in-law dey woes.
This is very personal to you.
E dey woes, and they affect my newborn baby.
So you go tell your wife.
Baby underline that baby side.
Honey,
baby,
your mama dey gba.
So I come dey follow my sister dey talk and say, how far na your mele guy dey uzo.
He dey uzo. You are wicked.
So
I don't like to you.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.